Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my first video of 2019. In today's video, I thought we could do a channel goals and 2018 recap, as well as a get ready with me featuring the Sephora Glowy Suprise face and lip set from Sephora, obviously. This thing cost $10 and it's got 3 things in it. So I'm going to open it up and I'll let you take a look at it. How does it open? Oh. So the 3 things that you get in the kit are a Sephora cream lip stain in, I was going to say made in Italy. This is number 13. Doesn't say what color it is. And then 2 little cheek products, a luminizer to go in Miss Sunshine and a blush stick in Miss Spicy. I guess there's also a boring rip tab you could have opened, but who opens a cracker like that? And the color of the lip stain is number 13, Marvelous Mauve. Alright, I'm not going to talk about the makeup products I've used all of these products a million times. And of course I will be using these 3 items that we just got in the Glowy Suprise and kind of give a first impression on those guys. Let's talk about 2018. Before we move on to 2019 goals. 2018 for my YouTube was a really great year. I posted a video 3 times a week, pretty much for the whole year, and ended up posting about 170 videos just this year, which is a ton of content. And that means my channel has over 550 beauty videos. Most of which are just like this weird beauty diary that I keep and make for myself. So if you're new to my channel and not super familiar with what I do, you can check out my huge library of videos. In 2018, I gained 3,500 subscribers and earned about 1.5 million views, which is awesome. I had just under 3,000 subscribers last year this time. And yeah, now I'm over 6,000 subscribers, which is amazing. Although, interesting fact, most of my views on my channel come from either YouTube search or Google search, because I do like a lot of product reviews on like a specific product. So that means almost 99% of views that I get are not from subscribers. And only 1% of views that I get are from subscribers. So if you are a subscriber and you're watching this, which is most likely how you found this video, I really appreciate you and that you stick around and watch all my videos. Ideally, I would like more subscribers and I create content for subscribers. But at the same time, I really understand that, the type of video, the content I produce, especially my 12-hour wear tests, they are quite repetitive. It's the same video format over and over. It's almost more archival, or, I don't know, it's just not really entertaining content. It's more, serious and boring. That's, my new thing that I'm starting to embrace about myself, is I'm kind of serious and I'm kind of boring. And in the past, maybe that was something to be worked on, or something that I should not be ashamed of or something, but something that I need to work on. But I think it's honestly kind of a strength. I'm serious and I'm boring. Now this blush, Miss Spicy, is just beautiful. It reminds me a lot of that Too Faced blush that I use every day. Just a really natural looking flushed color. Everybody's saying that the look for 2019 is just super natural, which is cool. But I mean, when I watch YouTube videos, I kind of like it when people wear more exciting makeup. It's kind of like inspirational and aspirational, even though I myself mostly just wear really boring work makeup, like work appropriate makeup. Okay, let's try out this highlighter too. That is gold. It's really like a creamy formula, almost like an oily formula. Seems pretty nice. Alright, more about my channel. Last year I got about 9,500 likes, 1,000 comments, and 4,500 shares. So thank you everybody for comment, liking, and sharing my videos. My most viewed videos, or I guess the most successful videos according to stats, are my Ardell Faux Mink Lash Try-On. Those are the 811 styles. That was back in January. My Ardell Wispies Lash Try-On, just like such a classic. That was in April. And then the Tati Halo Beauty Pill Try and Review in July. So thank you guys for enjoying those videos, watching those videos. I don't know, like my lash videos, my lash try-ons, they do really well. So I'm planning to do some more of those as well. About 48% of my subscribers come from the US, which is like a huge, it's by far the most amount of people that watch my videos are from the US. But then it's kind of a three-way tie for second place at 8% between India, Canada, and the United Kingdom, which is exciting. And if you didn't know, I myself am Canadian. I feel like the look I'm going for today is like the day after New Year's, funnily enough. When New Year's Eve you were like super glam, and the next like couple days you need to just like keep it really light and just kind of relax with the high coverage. I've been really doing a ton of eyeliner lately though, kind of back to the old wings. It's fun to mix it up every once in a while, but just something about like New Year's and Christmas that just makes just the winged eyeliner kind of come back into like a classic style. What else can I tell you guys? 87% of my viewers from last year were female, 14% were male. 36% of my viewers are between the age of 25 and 34, which I like. I kind of like that older demographic because I myself am older. 17% of my viewers are between 35 and 44, and hopefully that statistic starts to increase as well. And then 30% of my viewers are 18 to 24, which I'm pretty sure we all know is the age demographic. Probably 24 and below is like the biggest demographic of viewers on YouTube. Let's bust out the eyeliner. If I'm thinking about goals I would like for my YouTube channel for 2019, obviously, like number one, I would like to grow my subscriber base. I like to get to 10,000 subscribers. And I'm at 6,000 right now. I'm pretty sure I could make it happen. So by this time next year, hopefully, with hard work and a little bit more, I guess, video sharing and putting it out there, I'm gonna grow my subscriber base to 10,000 subscribers. Then I think I'll start to feel like a real YouTuber. Just kidding, I already do. No imposter syndrome here. And I guess my target viewer for those additional subscribers would be people like my age. Like I'm 34. I feel like when I'm making videos, I'm talking to other people around my age who have like similar life situations, skin situations, I guess similar makeup collecting philosophies, ideas on like consumerism and I don't know, just like, not to say that I don't appreciate viewers who are older or younger than that, but like really I'm kind of talking to like a mirror of myself, or really maybe even just myself. I don't know. It's kind of like a beauty journal almost, right? Maybe a little bit selfish, but like I'm not a makeup artist. I don't have like crazy tricks or anything. I'm just like an average gal who documents her makeup journey. I don't know. I think we need more blush. So to help facilitate my 10,000 subscribers, next year I'm going to continue uploading 3 videos a week. I think that's about the right number for me to feel comfortable, for me to feel pushed just enough that I feel like I'm working really hard and creating good content without making it feel rushed. And I feel like I get a good mix of content in there. I try to do 2 like reviews or try-ons or more comprehensive reviews each week, and then 1 off-topic video. So maybe something like a project pan, a declutter, an empties, or maybe a makeup challenge, or some other random thing that I've been dying to try. Even some sewing vlogs, because I've kind of discovered sewing lately as well. So yeah, I'm enjoying 3 uploads a week. That probably means I'll hit another 170 videos for next year as well, which again is not too shabby. I also want to stop neglecting my Twitter, my Instagram, my Facebook, and Makeup Alley, because I usually post my reviews to Makeup Alley as well. I love Makeup Alley and read a lot of reviews on Makeup Alley. I don't know, I feel like I'm giving back to the community when I post my own reviews and not just like read reviews. I also have some more interesting goals, like I want to try a new brand every month. And kind of focus my Patreon money towards that kind of thing, like maybe indie brands or brands I've never tried before. I feel like lately I'm in a rut where I just keep sticking to brands, and when I go to buy new makeup, usually I'm on Sephora looking at the same brands. My color is not quite as bright as I expected. I thought it would be a little bit more rosy, but it's a little bit more desaturated, I guess. It's kind of pretty, kind of grungy. I don't know, I just thought it would be a little bit more like baby pink rather than mauve. I don't know. I also want to try more Canadian brands, so maybe I could do something like 1 Canadian brand a month. I feel like those are some of my like least successful videos. They don't get a lot of views, not a lot of people are like searching for some of these brands. But I think it would be like an interesting exploration for myself, thinking selfishly. And also, if like a Canadian is out there looking to support Canadian makeup brands, I feel like that would be a good way to maybe avoid the misses or encourage you to try out some hits. And maybe even encourage some international shoppers to try out some of what Canada has to offer as well. I definitely am committed to sticking with my 12-hour wear test, my project pans. Thank you for your comments on the project pan video finale I just posted. Empties, which are so motivating. It's one of my favorite videos to record. As well as declutters. Again, I just did a huge declutter at the year end of 2018. And I also want to be really more aware and accountable for money that I'm spending on makeup. Last year I did really good. It was kind of my first year kind of slowing down, getting out of like fast makeup, and just kind of like being aware of where my money's going, what brands are getting my money, kind of reflecting on my collection a little bit more and making smarter purchases, and also not feeling guilty like when I do make purchases as well. Well, I guess that's it for this look. Very natural, kind of boring. Love the winged liner. Let me fix my hair here. Oh yeah, hair goals for 2019. I guess just keep growing it. I think I'll get a 1-year haircut. Cause it'll be about a year that I got my hair cut. In maybe April or May or March. I don't know, sometime in the spring. If you check my last year's video, my hair is like literally at my chin. So good progress growing it out. I feel like I'm kind of getting to a length where the big waves, like big loose waves, are kind of proportional to the length of my hair where it doesn't look too like odd. So yeah, I'm gonna keep playing with that. I'm kind of off the curly girl method bandwagon, as you know, although I have still been good about not heat styling it and just letting it do its own natural thing and just accepting it for what it is. And I feel like the longer it'll get, the easier it'll be to kind of care less about it. I feel like when your hair is like in between this length, like styling kind of matters the most. But once it's too long, it doesn't really matter. And if it's too short, there's like only so much you can do. At least with my hair. Yeah, what do I think about this kit? I really like this kit. I think the blush is beautiful. The highlight is beautiful. And the lip stain, it's got to be about $10 new, right? So it's a really great value. I think its regular price was like $13.50 Canadian. It was on sale for $10 Canadian. And maybe right at this moment, you get an additional 20% off of the $10. If you want to explore the Sephora brand, I think this is a good excuse to try it out. The cream lip stains are like classic. Everybody should have tried one out by now. They're super good performance, super comfortable to wear. And I personally have never tried a Sephora blush product that I didn't just absolutely fall in love with. And the highlighter, yeah, seems to be working really well as well. Kind of like a Fenty Matchstick, but like way cheaper. And more dewy, less sparkly, I guess. So yeah, that is 2018 recap, 2019 goals. Most of all, I guess my goal is to just enjoy creating this content for you guys. Continue to rely on crowdfunding to create these videos. Again, my videos are crowdfunded, so if you'd like to help support my channel, you can always check me out over on Patreon, where you can donate as little as $2 per month to help support my channel. Make sure you do check me out over on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'm going to be doing a huge dump to kind of like catch up on the maybe month and a half of posts that I haven't been posting. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already subscribed. And yeah, I'll see you all in Friday's beauty video. Bye guys. Thanks again for all your support. Love it. Love you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.